This is Tom Zeppeveld from Ophelion with a short screencast on our solution of copying diagrams, which are sets of nodes in a specific layout and that are stored in a Neo4j data store. To show you an example of a diagram, I have my diagram list over here, and here I have a ADM, TOHAF ADM model. For those who know TOHAF ADM, it must be familiar. Please disregard the null thing. There should have been nothing there, but for one reason or another, I can't remove them. If you click on each node, you'll get your the details over here in this used view panel. Well, imagine that and knowing that these are nodes and relationships that are stored in a Neo4j store, imagine what it would mean to create an exact copy of it. So you have a new ADM model for another project, for example. Well, we found a solution to that in the sense that you can do that cypher, but you have to automate the cypher. And what we have done is here in this list we have added a context menu that allows you to create a full copy. So if I would create it, then it requests my version, let's say version for project ABC, and when I execute it, you see here the diagram for project ABC appear, which is an exact copy of our first diagram. Although here, when I click on this one, I have here the version from the project ABC, and here I don't have that version. As you can see, also it derives. It also notes from which it is copied the same for the relationships. It is also copied from here, although and this one doesn't have that property. Of course, you can strip them if necessary. Well, how do we do that? We have a copy diagram function. And now let's show that in another view, the diagram viewer. Okay, I have my list of diagrams over here, which is a table view. So it displays the table, and it's powered by a cypher query. When the cypher query executes successfully, it sends columns and data to my list of diagrams. From here I have two context relationships. One says, okay, to diagram viewer, and the other one says, okay, create full copy. And this is what you see when I click here. Then you get those two options. For the full copy, I have a larger cypher statement that creates another cypher statement. And when that is executed successfully, the cypher is sent to another Neo4j query function, and then it is executed. And so this is actually where it creates the new diagram. And when it's successfully created, it updates, it re-triggers the diagram function, so that is why it's updated. So once you have seen that, it's perhaps still easier to follow. So if I have another copy, so this I have my context menu, and now I have my third version, and it creates my third version. And so I can display the diagram. So, and if you look here, you will see it change. I have here my third version, I have my project ABC, and I have my root version. This was it for now. Thank you for watching.